Sure, I would do honestly.
I'll tell you a story. I had some friends who were talking business. And then this guy said we must have a meeting in Dubai. So I'm still on the up and coming. As we're having a meeting in Dubai, they said, let's stay at this hotel. The Burj Khalifa was the name of the hotel. The Burj Khalifa. I got to the Burj Khalifa to book in. I saw, I think 80,000 or 45,000, I think 80,000 rents a night. I said, what? And these guys, they knew, not even friends, they knew business partners. We want to do a business together. I don't have money for 7 days. I must pay 80,000 a night. I can net 80,000 in my rekening. I only have 80,000. Waar gaat ek slap? I said, wait. Hey. So it's like we go to the Burj Khalifa, they booking there, we're all there. They're like, hey, Chi, which room are you? Which floor are you? I said, I'm coming, I'm just on the phone. I just said something like, for 14, no, there was no floor. Ek kan nie my laaste 85 gebruik vir een nag. We there 7 nights. I check, wait, I check, I Google, I check, there's a Radisson Hotel. I said, good shot. I said, Liesel, get me in the Radisson. Liesel says it's 5,500 per night. I said, sure, book me in there. These guys know I'm staying there with them. So as I go the next, they say, guys, let's go sleep. We'll meet for breakfast tomorrow morning. At breakfast, we'll have our first meeting. So I didn't know that you can't just walk in that hotel if you don't stay there. Only when you come to book. Yo! I sleep at the Radisson. We said we're meeting at 8 o'clock. 7 o'clock to Saklada. 7 o'clock. Luckily, I greeted the security when I got there yesterday. He says, hey, my brother, I saw you yesterday. I said, hey, my brother. Hey, I take out money. I said, my brother, you work here this week? He says, yes. I'm here the whole week. It's my shift. I said, my brother, here's 5,000. Why are you giving me this money? I said, my brother, I just want you to open for me every day. I want those people to think I stay here. I'll pay for my breakfast, everything. He says, no, I know that girl there. Don't worry about it, girl. I'll call her now. You eat for free, my brother. You give us 5,000. Give 1,000. I said, no, I'll pay for my food. He says, sure. I got there. I said, lady, here's 1,000, but I'm still going to pay for my food. She says, all right. For 7 days, every day I was at that hotel. I sat there. I ate breakfast with them. We had our meetings. Sometimes we had lunch meetings, but I was at the hotel. And I learned 2 lessons. I didn't know who am I dealing with here. I didn't deal with small boys. I dealt with big boys. 1, that was the first lesson I learned. And kindness is the reason why that guy said he recognized me. What am I trying to say to you? Some of you don't know who you're dealing with in the PA. You're dealing with die gesalfdes, die gewastes van die Here. Sometimes you don't know where you are here. You are in a healing. We all need healing. PA is like, ek sê amper 'n mal hospitaal, want ons is mal, maar nie almal van julle is mal, net sommige van ons. But PA is where we heal. PA is where we heal. We need each other. We need each other in the PA. We don't need your rudeness. We don't need this. We don't need that. So tonight, as your president, I'm going to give you a task. And sometimes you must know where you are. I didn't know I was with the big boys. I was still thinking I'm running here with the small boys. But when I saw these people pay 80,000 a night like it's nothing, I realized, here, I'm bumbling with the big boys here. You can't be a leader. You know, I had my friends like Rob Hershoff and them coming there to the rally. Very wealthy people. I had billionaire friends of mine coming there. And what's her name? Mikey and Roseanne, these are rich people that came to the rally. They just wanted to be there. En die PA people, they dienen them. They dienen hulle wil sommer die mense bedien en borde, because that's just, you know how PA people are. And you know, Nadine is like she's like a hostess, the mostess. That's who she is. You go to a house, she makes sure you sort it out. Van 'n starter af tot by 'n pudding. And Nadine went and she's like, oh no, we need this plates for this Friends of Press. En ek sê, vir wat? Nee, wag. Wat die Patriots eet, gaat hulle eet. Wat die Patriots eet, gaat hulle eet. That's niemand, that's die borde, that's nobody that must get special food. No caterers for nobody, because ons moet allemaal dieselfde behandel. So for me, this vehicle is threatening people. I mean, you see what they're trying to do to Fadil. And NCC is not as big as the Patriotic Alliance. And I say it respectfully, they're not as big. But even if they can attack Fadil like that, that is not yet as big as we are. What will they do what are they doing to us? What will they do to us? What will they do to us? So I'm saying to you, if you have no money, moenie terugstaan vir mense met geld in die PA nie. If you have no car, don't stand back, because God blesses us at different times. Wees net lekker, man. There's none of you here. I'm very, you know, people think to be strict, to be strict, you need to be rude. I'm very strict. Patriots weet, you know, they come op die life, ek deal sometimes met julle. But ek het altyd liefde. Never forget to be kind. And you can pretend when you see me to be kind to people, you post kind stuff. That means nothing. If you are only kind when there's people that knows you. You must be kind all around, even if they're strangers. You know, today, I was just scrolling through Facebook, and Yahya, he picked up on something that I didn't even pick up on. It was so deep for me. Yahya Mohammed. He picked up on something that I didn't even pick up on. I had to watch that video from him, but it involves me. He posted a video, Yahya, where he says, the winner of the Comrades came, and everybody was shaking his hand. And the guy that came second, Yahya said, I'm the only one that shook his hand. I'm like, did I? Was I the only one? Not that I'm better than those people. But I had to go back and I had to check the video. And there's a lesson I want to learn, to teach you. When you don't win, you don't have a crowd. And that is also okay. The man that came second, nobody cared about him. I went back and I saw I was the only one that shook his hand. That doesn't make me better. What I'm trying to say to you, don't let you having nothing, then you become the floor mat for people in the PA. Nobody in the PA has the right to make you feel some kind of a way. I want you to be kind. Van julle is so paphartig. Jy's paphartig. Somebody just say something that lodge die PA. Somebody just, you're like my auntie. My auntie has been, wat ek groot word, was die kerk na kerk na kerk na kerk na kerk. You know my mom used to fight with everyone. Nee, ek praat nie met hy nie. I don't speak to this one. I used to, my mom, I did die vrede gehad nie. My mom used to play something called Fafi. Julle ken China. So you know, if you grow up in a house where the auntie plays Fafi, you moet sommer droom. En as jy nie gedroom het, you know, you must dream. Wat het jy gedroom, my kind? Dan moet jy sê, ek het oor 'n appie gedroom. I think it's number 2. Ek onthou Duiwe was 16, want ek het so gelieg oor Duiwe. Hy sê, maar, what did you dream? Dan sê ek, I didn't dream. Die gemors, rubbish, wat is kan droom nie? And then, ja, begin ek sommer sê, ek het gedroom oor Duiwe. Ga speel vir my 16. So it was like a gambling up, nearly like lotto. I don't know if you guys know Fafi, Chinaman. Now, I grew up in a house where my mother was playing Chinaman. En ek het sommer gelieg elke dag. Sê, wat het jy gedroom? Ek sê, 'n koning. Ga speel koning. Wat het jy gedroom? Dooie vrou. Ga speel dooie vrou. Guys, you don't understand to live in a house where your mom plays Fafi. You must dream. You must be sent. And my mom will send me to this house where they play China. All these people work for one person, it's different people. They will work with this house where they play China and work for that. And then there's another house. My mom will get so angry with this person. Dan beklei sy met die auntie, omdat ek weer daar gaat speel. By my Evie daar by auntie Nalimang. Dan, like, she would fight with everyone, my own mother. And that's nobody I ever loved like my mom. And my kids. She would fight with everyone. My mom would, nee, ek is kwai vriende met Dynetjie. My mom and her neighbor didn't speak for more than 10 years growing up. But my mom used to fight with people and I knew my mom was 80% wrong. So some of you think people are your robots here in PA. You think you can talk to... The people are not following you. Stop thinking the people are following you. They're not following you. Stop thinking jy's nou die myn konyn, die mense follow you. No. The people are not following you. The people are even partly following me, but mostly the people are following the vision. Because I'm the vision carrier. And the only reason why they follow me because I carry the vision. Daar julle ken nie Fafi nie. Van julle ken nie Fafi. You don't know Fafi. Fafi. What did you dream, my baby boy? My mom. Ja, ek sê drywe. Dan moet jy gekyk oor wat is drywe? Wat 'n nommer? Dan kom enetjie daar. Ja, ek dink as 'n tros, as 'n boom, as 'n plant. The trauma of you have to dream. Ek lieg aan die met David en sê ek, David, dan moet ek op 16 gaan speel. Dooie man 34. Dooie vrou 34, I think. Hond, nummer 5. Guys, you don't understand this thing I'm talking about. But coming back to the topic. Van julle, you do nothing wrong. It's always the other people. It's always the other people. Nou, ek gaat nooit toelaat dat julle my mense vertrappie. Dan moet julle gaan. En as ek vir julle sê, julle is verkeerd en julle vind nog excuses dat julle nie verkeerd was nie, dan moet julle gaan. Luister my en luister my baie mooi. Moenie my mal maak nie. Die mense van die PA gaat niemand vertrappie. Julle gaat nie die mense vertrappie, julle moet gaan, laat ek met die mense bly. Want ek waardeer die mense. En julle wat nie die mense waardeer nie. You want people to be scared of you. Die mense het jou nog nooit gesien lag, maar jy's 'n leader. The people never saw you laugh, but you're a leader. You've never made a joke with the people, but you're a leader. Jy's altyd net ernstig, generaal. You know, my friend's father was a general in the army. Daai man was al geretire. Clive Grobler said Big Fish. I also remember Big Fish. You guys are taking me back, Clive. Daai man was al retire. Hy praat nog steeds so met die kinders. As ons by hulle huis eet, when we eat by the house, hy sê, give me the salt. Here, mens krik glas as jy eet. Bring the tea. Here, hoe begin die reg praat nie, wat gaan by jou? Coffee? Give the pepper. Boy, pass the remote. Ek dink, Here, Oombi, kan ons nie so skree nie, ons is aan. Because he can't get over the fact that he used to be a general in the thing. You know, yesterday, one guy, I heard Dan Powell, he says, yeah, but I don't know, I'm at 28, can I join PA? So they make me aware. I went to him, even Sabella with him and say, he's even 28 and 26 and 20 vati. Ons is almal sami. Don't scare people. En dan lieg hulle nog, Pres het my gebel. Ek bel hulle nie, moenie lieg nie. Nee, Pres het nou net gebel, Pres is baie kwaad. Pres wil nou weet. Ek bel julle nie. Hou op lieg. Ek bel een keer in 'n blue man. Dan tel, ek het vanaf vir Sarifa gebel, sy het nie opgetel nie. Dan tel van julle nie eens opie. Maybe if I want to know something there, but I work through the DSG and I work through the SG. Hulle lieg met my naam. Nee, Pres wil nou weet, ek praat direct met Pres, jy lieg. Jy lieg, you are lying. Nogal, ek praat direct met Pres. Wanneer praat jy direct met my? No. Guys, you don't want to listen. Pres is going to call me anyway tonight. I talk directly to Pres. Hey, jy lieg. Jy praat met hy from fake presse, wat daar. You know, there's so many fake, fake presse hier. Kaitin fake. So what I want to say to you is that I just wanted to share this with you guys. We are family men. Let's treat each other better. Musselina Pels. Die Pres, nummer 34 is Kakpan. Right. Alright, wat is nog? Alright, guys. Just, that's Lizelle Jackson is here for us. He say, number 1 is Key. Guys, number 2 is Monkey. Number 12 is Dooie Vrou. Number 14 is Ou Vrou. Number 13 is Big Fish. Number 19. Yeah, Lizelle. You don't understand how you're taking me back to my growing up. Ek moet droom wat Dooie Vrou is. Big Fish. Guys, one day, I tell you, now let me just, because you, so you can understand. Listen, I want to tell you what happens. So you play the number, and then the evening, if that number comes, your mother gets more money if she's won. It's like lotto, but it's just those 34 numbers. So every day my mom doesn't win. So she sends me, yes, 5 rands, go play these numbers for me. Ek weet sy gaat nie wen nie. I know she's not going to win, so I keep the 5 rands. Yeah. And then she's like, what's the number? Then she sees she didn't win. I smile. I've got a 5 rands. Here, Ina says ek moet Dooie Man gaan speel. Van one of our uncles there is dead. Dooie Man. I took the 10 rands of Dooie Man. I keep with 10 rand. I don't play Dooie Man. 10 rands was a lot of money, guys. And then I just hear, my mom says, woo! Who said she? Ek hoor hulle sê, Toe jy maar gekom, my ma sê, woe! Ek val amper dood van 'n hartaanval. Amper dood net daar. Ek dink, Here, hoop jy moes nie dood gegaan het. Ek gaan ook nie dood. I'm gonna follow you. Ek weet my ma kom my dood maak. Ja. Kyk hier. Ek kom ek sê, mami, ek gee jou 10 rand, I forgot to play the number. I've never been beaten up like that in my life. My father beat me up. Nou moet ek nou... So, that was our thing. So to all of you that's here, can't you understand that we are family? You know what happened this morning? We in the VIP tent here, the Comrades Marathon. There's this lady. She says to me, "Brad, can I have a picture?" So the people of the thing says, no, he has to go on TV. I say to that woman, I've forgotten what her name was. I say to that woman, no, come. I said to this guy, no, wait, my brother, wait. The TV can wait. As I take the pictures, he says, can you press for me? Ek werk saam met Mafuta in Pietermaritzburg. This person is a patriot. Imagine if I left to go to the TV and the patriot was waiting for a picture with the press.
Sure, I would do honestly.